Beautiful, elegant, stunning, exquisite, lovely. Whatever the term, so is Africa. Here, nature doesn't just grow, it paints a masterpiece. From the delicate petals unfolding in the cool morning mist to the vibrant bursts of color dancing under the golden sun, the flora of this continent is unmatched. Every blossom is a testament to life and resilience, springing from rich, deep soils, painting the landscape with a wild, untamed grace. In every bloom, you witness the true spirit of our home, deeply rooted, brilliantly diverse, and unapologetically bold. This is the beauty of Africa.